We were one grease fire away from all of us going out of business. Can we back up for a second? Because this will be good. I was working for Stage Stores in Houston, Texas. I had a distribution background and they asked me to spend some time to help understand what's happening in the inbound supply chain. When a retailer like Dillard's would buy product from, say, a Polo Ralph Lauren, they have vendor requirements that they expect the vendors to follow. When a vendor fails to follow those rules, there's a penalty associated to it. What we really found out was there were significant opportunities on the inbound supply chain. Those opportunities were all over. It is literally millions of dollars to every retailer. We recognize that there might be an opportunity to do something on our own, maybe build something, build a company. We were making the decision that we wanted to go down the path to create a software company, software that would automate this vendor compliance process. We were operations guys. We had no way to actually do any of this stuff. We needed smart, intelligent, an IT organization that could help us accomplish this. And I knew that John Burgess and Mainstream Technologies were the guys that could help us turn this idea into a reality.
Day of the 1999 Arkansas-Tennessee game.
Hopped in a car on a Saturday and drove up to see John 7 hours from Houston.
Laid it out on my kitchen table and I'm looking at it and I was like, this is the best idea I've ever seen. I knew from having been working with Stage and my history at Dillard's was that this was a chronic problem that every retailer faced. So his idea for how to provide a tool for retailers to implement this kind of program, I just thought was gold.
It was gold. Can I talk about Hammer?
Yeah.
When we did start our company, we didn't have anything to show potential customers. We had an idea. We had a company that was writing the software for us.
You set your first appointment and needed something to show them.
John had taken the idea and built it in a Microsoft Access database with a front end that was named Hammer. It's a little executable file that could be actually ran.
We sat down and we knew exactly what version 1 of the product needed to do. And we storyboarded out exactly what Hammer needed to do.
I guess we'd call it a prototype, although it was a fully functioning prototype. It was something that we could show.
It was fun. Oh man, it was fun.
We have an immediate ROI, and it's a black and white ROI. RCMS saves our customers in excess of $100 million each and every year.
You talked about being a software as a service company before there was such a thing, and being a cloud company before there was a cloud. Other things that we run across today is in the entrepreneurial space, where they talk about minimum viable product and wireframe mock-ups, and that's always impressed me about how you all had that idea. All the stuff that all these startup companies talk about today, you know, you all were doing it 15 years ago before any of those terms came about.
We were only doing it because of you, so quite honestly. We signed a contract with a very large company which required a significant investment in servers. They asked us to maintain them and host them on our side. We wanted Mainstream Technologies to help manage all of that for us.
This Fortune 500 retailer that they just signed is not going to be impressed when they come do an on-site inspection and see this carpeted, dilapidated building that we have their data and their servers in.
The office originally was in Maumelle, and it was literally right next to a Mexican food restaurant, which was a great location, unless you decided this was going to be your data center, because literally at that point, 15 years ago, we were one grease fire away from all of us going out of business. I guess that's when you started looking for a new office.
Yes.
But they would have liked the Mexican food.
They might have liked the Mexican food.
Lolitas?
Mamacitas.
Mamacitas?